Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions practice, Part 19. S.S.C. Rajshahi Board-2019. Cutting trees is not good for us. Cutting trees is not good for us, isn't it? Because trees supply us oxygen, fruits, and wood. Because trees supply us oxygen, fruits, and wood, don't they? We can hardly live without them. We can hardly live without them, can we? They are our best friends. They are our best friends, aren't they? Let's plant trees more and more. Let's plant trees more and more, shall we? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir.